welcome to the next video. My name is Kamlesh Singh Balla and welcome to Money Mastery. If you want that your dream of earning lot of money come true, then you need to do two things. First, you have to do mental rehearsal, and second, you have to take physical action. So your mental rehearsal plus physical action is equal to your dream coming true. So the single most important weapon that I'm going to tell you in this video is used by lakhs of people in the world, and they got result after using this weapon in their life. This weapon is the crucial instrument to reprogram your brain. If you want to reprogram your brain, this is the best weapon. And this weapon is called ऑटो सजेशन और अफर्मेशन. अफर्मेशन का मतलब होता है आप कुछ ऐसी लाइन, पॉजिटिव मनी फ्रेंडली लाइन बार 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 अपने आप को बोलते हो, उसको कहते हैं अफर्मेशन या ऑटो सजेशन. नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव योर गोल्स यू नीड टू हैव ए क्लैरिटी ऑन व्हाट योर गोल्स आर. आपको पता होना चाहिए, आपको कोई भी गोल अचीव करने से पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके गोल्स क्या है. Let's say you have a goal of earning 2 lakh money per month. It can be per year, it can be per month, or it can be per year. It depends on you. Now what I want you to do is to fix the amount, and second thing you need to do is to create affirmation. You can create a 3 to 4 line affirmation. Like I'm giving you an example, like I am very happy that I am earning 2 lakhs. I am happy and grateful that I am earning 2 lakhs money per month. It can go like this. Now what I want you to do is to speak that affirmation 50 times in the morning and 50 times before you go to sleep. You have to affirm on a daily basis. You will not miss a single day. You will affirm 50 times in the morning and 50 times before you go to sleep. Now along with this, what I want you to do is to create a mental movie, to say to mentally rehearse that the amount of money that you have fixed is coming to you through checks or in your bank accounts. Now what I want you to do is to visualize the impact that amount of money, whatever you are going to earn, is going to make in your life, in your family life, in your friend's life, and feel what it feels like. Now if you do it consistently on a regular basis, what it does is that it primes your brain to see and feel as if it is real right now, कि अभी हो रहा है. ऐसे हमारे दिमाग को प्राइम हो जाता है, उसको लग रहा होता है कि अभी ऐसा हो रहा है, क्योंकि आप इमोशंस के साथ विजुलाइज कर रहे हो, आप फील कर रहे हो कि कैसा होगा जब आप वो अमाउंट ऑफ मनी आप कमा रहे होंगे. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू इज, अब आपने ये अफर्मेशन खुद से कर लिया है, अब आप ये कर रहे हो, तो व्हाट इट डज कि इट एक्टिवेट्स द पार्ट ऑफ योर ब्रेन कॉल लेफ्ट प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स. आपके ब्रेन का एक पार्ट होता है लेफ्ट प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स, उसको ये अफर्मेशन अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो उसको एक्टिवेट कर देगा, एंड इट विल दिस पार्ट ऑफ योर ब्रेन विल हेल्प यू टू फिगर आउट how you will achieve your goal, how you will earn that amount of money in your life. Now after this, what I want you to do is ask yourself a question. Ask yourself one question, that what can I do today that will help me to make this amount of money. And every day take 1 or 2 massive actions to make that dream a reality. I want you to do this, and you can create affirmation like this, that every day I am becoming richer and richer. Every day money is coming to me money coming to me through expected and unexpected ways. Wealth flows into my life from many parts of many other areas. I am financially free, and I am very grateful and happy that money flows into my life. You can create a affirmation like this. So after creating that affirmation, what it does is that, let me tell you, if you want to grow in life very quickly, then you need to have affirmation. You need to take the help of affirmation. We all have a self-limiting beliefs. Okay, we all have a self-limiting beliefs, and that create a self doubt on us. When we constantly we are saying this limiting beliefs to ourselves, then it create a self doubt. So when you have a self doubt, you will not be able to achieve the amount of money that you want to earn in your life. So this affirmation, what it does is that it convinced your subconscious mind that you can do it. And first you have to believe in yourself, and first you have convinced yourself and your subconscious mind that you can earn that amount of money. Then automatically your subconscious mind will start working to make that amount of money a reality. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from this. I will see you in the next video.